Welcome to 512 West 77th Place in Tulsa. Located within the ultra-desirable Stonebrook subdivision near Tulsa Hills and within walking distance to Jenks Northwest Elementary School. This 4-bedroom home comes with loads of lifestyle. Stonebrook is an active family neighborhood with a gorgeous covered bridge, disc golf course and walking trails, pool and clubhouse, in addition to basketball courts and beautiful ponds with fountains, all just 10 minutes to downtown Tulsa. Stepping inside this wonderful home, the welcoming foyer is accompanied by a home office on one side and a formal dining space on the other. Working from home couldn't be easier here, and your family is sure to make plenty of memories around the table in the dining room. The main living area is expansive and combines the living, kitchen, and breakfast nook areas in an open floor plan perfect for entertaining, all with views of the outdoor living area. Hardy cabinetry in the kitchen will give you plenty of storage. Plus, you'll enjoy a walk-in pantry and dry bar, along with gorgeous granite and stainless steel appliances. The stone feature gas log fireplace creates a luxurious yet cozy ambiance, and the built-ins leading to the master suite are pure perfection. For more entertaining options, just head upstairs, where you'll discover a nice bonus room along with a gigantic game room. With room for media, game tables, and more, this space will be a favorite with friends and family. There are also 2 beds and a full bath upstairs as well. Back on the main floor, this home provides a split-bedroom floor plan with 2 large bedrooms and 2 full baths, including this master suite with neutral tones, hardwood floors, and vaulted ceilings. The master bath is the hallmark of luxury living with dual granite vanities, a large walk-in, and a large glass and tile stand-up shower. With so much to offer at such an affordable asking price, you won't want to miss the ultimate lifestyle upgrade you and your family will come to love in Stonebrook. Schedule your personal tour today.
Hi, my name is Sally Mulready with Coldwell Banker Select. Thank you for taking the time to view this beautiful property. For more information or to schedule a showing, please call Sally Mulready, or for all your lending needs, please call Joe Mullis at AMC Mortgage.